Today, I'll show you how to update your DocuSign signature step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital tips. First, open the DocuSign website and log into your account. Once logged in, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage Profile from the drop-down menu. Next, find and click on Signatures in your account settings. Here, you will see all your saved signatures. Click the Actions drop-down menu near your signature and select Edit. Now you can update your signature. DocuSign lets you personalize it by typing, drawing, or combining both options. Experiment until you find the style that fits you best. Once satisfied, save your changes. Your new signature is now ready for use in future documents. And that's it. You've successfully updated your DocuSign signature, adding a fresh, professional touch to all your digital documents.